everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by at the Peppered Peach today. We're going to be making something from Magnolia Cookbook volume number 1, and it is the broiled honey thyme peaches with ice cream and aged balsamic. Now that all sounds like a lot of things, but let me tell you, this takes 15 minutes, she says in here. So this is going to be a quick one for us. And this is kind of like my name, right? Peach and pepper. The pepper is actually for the spice, not the vegetable. So that is where peppered peach comes from. And I have never made this before. So let's do this. This is right up my alley. I love peaches, I love pepper, I love thyme, and there's honey in this. Let's get this party started. All right, our first step is to peel the peaches, and it calls for 4. So I have a couple more here just in case I don't like the way one looks. So we'll peel these. I don't know, is there like a really good way to peel peaches? I don't know. I feel like just like taking it like this, but I can't do that, can I? No, I can't do that. All right. I just hate peeling them, and then I don't want to ruin any of the yumminess in the middle. There we go. Just have to get a good groove going, you know? So yeah, so this dish really should be my jam. But let's see. Oop, just got squirted, peach squirt. So we're gonna take these, once they're peeled, we're going to cut them in half, obviously discard the peach pit, and then we're gonna put them in the broiler, actually, for 3 minutes. And then we're gonna pour on the honey and throw in some thyme and the pepper, and then we're gonna broil it for a couple more minutes, I think. Yes, 4 more minutes. And then bam, it's done. So let's see how we think about this, people. I've never heard of this before, but I'm here for it. Because I love peaches and I love pepper, the spice. I love pepper as a vegetable, but pepper for me goes on everything. If I have a bowl of macaroni, just give me pepper on it. That's all I want. Pepper, some parm. I don't even need sauce. That is all I need, is pepper. All right, they're all peeled. Let's chop them in half. And remember, we want to be careful of the pit, so we got to take out the pit. I'm sure there's a nice way to do this, right? That I'm not privy to. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to push these, I think, face down first, right? Broil until, yes, side down. Cut down side first. So we'll put these down. Now let's get the nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, down. Got a little messy, but that's okay. I don't think this is supposed to be a mess-free dessert here. There we go. I'm gonna have to look up online later how to do this cooler than what I'm doing now. There we go. All right. So we have them all face down. Just took off the stem. Okay. Now that they're face down, I'm gonna wash my hands, clear this out, and we're gonna put this on broil for 3 minutes. We're gonna watch it very closely because we do not want any burning. So let's clean up, head over to the stove. All right guys, we have our broiler on. The rack is in the middle, so let's throw it in there for 3 minutes. 3 minutes and counting. Oops. Timer, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. All right guys, it is out of the oven. I actually had to put it in a little bit longer than 3 minutes because I wasn't feeling like it was ready. So I don't know if this is ready, but we're gonna go with it. And I think, is that the right call? I don't know. We're gonna find out. This could be too deep of a pan too. It's possible, but that's also a problem. It smells perfect though. All right, so now that it's out, we're drizzling the melted butter on top of our peaches. Okay, butter's on. Then we're going to put in our honey. Okay, I'm liking this, I'm feeling it, I'm liking it. All right. Then we're gonna sprinkle on our pepper. You know what, I'm gonna use this. It wasn't gonna work out that way, was it? Okay. And I actually got this at Magnolia Market when we were in Waco. And you know what, I use it sometimes. Sometimes I forget I have it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna sit here and lie. But the last time I used it, it didn't work out that well. So let's try it. It's supposed to go like this. See, I think this is why, because nothing came out. And that was disappointing. But that's okay, you know what? There's different sizes. So let me go into a more, see, that's not gonna work. Yeah, see. No, it worked, okay. It worked this time, kind of. That's all right, you know what, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and that's okay. I still love it. See, just right there. It's okay. You know, I'm trying here to use this thing that I thought would be, it has worked in the past, but for time, it just does not work as well. That's okay, I'm just gonna go like that, okay. All right, so do we sprinkle this now? No, we don't. I don't even know why I'm bothering. We don't even sprinkle this until the end. All right, now let's put this back in the oven for 5 minutes, broiling. Browned and bubbling is what we're going for. Okay, 4 minutes, see you in 4. All right, y'all, it's time to take them out. It's been about 5 minutes. They smell honey and yummy. There they are. So now we drizzle, yes, remove from the oven, sprinkle with thyme right here. I'm not gonna go crazy on the thyme, just a little. So we have a touch, okay. And once we put them, okay, now that this is done, we're gonna let it cool for a couple minutes and then we're gonna put it into a little bowl and try it with some ice cream and we're gonna top it with our balsamic. All right, y'all, it is time to try our broiled honey thyme peaches. It smells super good, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna get some ice cream in there if I can, okay. It's looks like a little messy, okay. Wow, okay. I love this. I'm not gonna lie. I love the balsamic on here. I love the honey, the peaches. It's so tasty. I was a little nervous about this, to be honest, but I really like it. It's so different. It's savory, it's sweet. I love it. Let me take another bite just to make sure. Yes, okay. This is a repeat for me, for sure. There's not one thing I would change about it. I never thought I would like this. Not never, I was nervous, right? Broiled peaches, thyme, balsamic. You're throwing a lot at me here, Joanna Gaines and Magnolia Cookbook. But this one is definitely a repeat. I love it. And I'm so glad I do, because if I didn't like it and I'm the peppered peach, I have problems, all right? So, thank you so much for stopping by today. If you make this at home, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, have a great rest of your day. See you later. Oops, okay. No, I wasn't ready. We are gonna be making something for Magnolia. Cook? No, yes. Why? You okay? Oh, this, yeah. Okay, I actually really like it.
Really? Okay.
It is super savory.